Today I will tell you how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. First, update your Snapchat account. Now go back and open Snapchat application. Now open your camera and select any nice filter and take snap. You can also edit your snap a little. When the snap is created, click the send to button in the bottom corner. Here you will see the best friends section, but here you will see your own best friends list on Snapchat. But here is an option to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So for that you have to go back and open your chat panel. Now open the conversation of the person you want to see the best friend list of. Now tap on her name. You can see here that you are not seeing her best friend list because Snapchat has not come with any option to see another person's best friend list.